Hi, Horseman. This is your week overview. Let's check it out. So, our week goes in rainbow order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and no indigo or violet. Just five things. And we start out on Monday. This is super important. Well, I'll start here. Here's your weekly overview and your Google Meets. And if you are Miss Kaki's class, the Google Meet is Wednesday. Miss Cordum, it's Thursday, and Miss Witt, it's Friday. Our Google Meet is always at 10:30, and the code is always HMSCI. If you need help with your science work during the week, you have more times to come. I have this thing called office hours, and I am there in a Google Meet ready to help you with your work. You can log into the Google Meet, and Miss Bush will ask you to share your screen, and I will help you get all correct answers on your work. We can do it together. So I am there every day for 30 minutes to help kids do work, and many kids stop by, and I want to make sure all kids know they are welcome. Our normal science time is right here, and then here is our weekly checklist. On Monday, I need to go back and fix these numbers. Look at that. Ooh, Miss Bush will be fixing this very soon. On Monday, it should say 5.1, you need to take the student engagement survey. On Tuesday, for 5.2, you will be doing a worksheet graphing electromagnets. On Wednesday, titled 5.3, we are going to learn about a scientist named Latimer, and it will be a science history lesson. You will have a worksheet to go along with that to hear about his electricity discoveries. Thursday, 5.4, will be another science history lesson about Robert Houdin, and this time it is a discussion board where you can write down what you think should have happened. And Friday, we are ending the week with a discussion board to check in. This Friday discussion board is really to focus on, are you caught up on your work? This week is actually a fairly easy week, and I don't know if you understand that yet, but I am not making this week very hard. Some kids have gone really behind on their work, so this week is a chance to get caught up, and for our kids who are caught up, there will be new learning. Let's check it out. Monday, I need you on Monday to do a student survey. This is something I have to ask you to do. It's required. And so that is your work on Monday, is to do this survey. Do it, do it, do it. It's not a big deal. This is what it looks like. And there's questions about it. Fill it out. I need you to do it on Monday, okay? Then let's go to the next page, giving you a week overview. Tuesday, there's a discussion board on Monday to say hi and check in and stop in. Tuesday, we're working on an electromagnetic graph. Graphing is really important. I have the file open here. This is your Tuesday work, and we just need to work on this graphing of electromagnets, an important skill. Wednesday, 5.3, Latimer was an important scientist, so you have a worksheet about him. And I have 3 questions, not too hard, 3 questions asking for your opinions after you hear this story. Thursday's work, I'm really asking you to compare the science of Robert Houdin and that of the ethics of Luke Skywalker in Return of the Jedi. And so I'd like to see what's going on there. And then on Friday, come on, Schoology, don't be slow. There's Wednesday's work. Come on, Schoology, don't be slow. Don't be like this. Looks like my numbers are off. Miss Bush needs to edit that right away and go back in and get all these numbers correct. That will confuse people. Are you caught up? No, I am looking for kids who are all caught up on their work. I have some special Menchie's gift cards for a free Menchie's frozen yogurt, and I can send them in the mail to your home if you are caught up on your work. So I'm looking for super scientists who are caught up on their work. So this discussion board, you can share your tricks for being great at distance learning. You can tell Miss Bush, I wish we had more of this, or I wish we had less of this. And it's a discussion board to end the week. So that's kind of a light assignment, to have a discussion board to end the week, and that means I need you to go back and get caught up. Some kids are completely caught up, but there's a good number of kids who are not. So this week is electricity 2. Last week was electricity kits, or the last time we had science. And if you did not finish this work, you need to go back into that and get caught up on this. I am really looking for kids who have both of these weeks completely done. And I have those Menchie gift cards to send out for super scientists. Have a great week, 4th grade.